Welcome to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the ultimate robot vacuum showdown between the Lefant M210 and the Tikom G8000. Let's see which one of these will clean up the competition. Literally. First up, the price. Lefant M210 is a budget-friendly option at $199, making it an affordable choice for many households. Reviewers appreciate its cost-effectiveness, noting that it works well, especially in large living rooms, and is easy to connect to Alexa. On the other hand, Tikom G8000 comes in at a pricier $299. Reviewers compare it to the Tesla of robot vacuums, appreciating its dual vacuuming and mopping capabilities and efficient cleaning pattern. Lefant M210 is perfect for pet owners, thanks to its brushless suction port that prevents fur from tangling in the brush. Reviewers love its effectiveness in picking up pet hair and its ability to clean under furniture without getting tangled. Tikom G8000, however, offers a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping action, making it ideal for households needing both functions. Reviewers praise its ability to mop efficiently and navigate around obstacles. When it comes to navigation, Lefant M210 features Free Move Technology 2.0 with 6D anti-collision sensors, making it adept at avoiding obstacles. Reviewers note that it does a good job cleaning floors, but can sometimes wander and get stuck. Tikom G8000 uses gyroscope smart navigation, following an efficient zigzag path. Reviewers appreciate its efficient cleaning pattern, comparing it favorably to other brands for its ability to avoid getting stuck under furniture. Both vacuums come with app and voice control. Lefant M210 offers 6 cleaning modes, including a zigzag mode, though reviewers suggest avoiding this mode on carpets. Tikom G8000 has 5 cleaning modes and connects to Alexa and Google Home. Reviewers love its carpet boost mode, which triples suction power on carpets, making it highly effective on various surfaces. Lefant M210 boasts a solid 120 minutes of runtime with its lithium iron phosphate batteries. Reviewers appreciate its long battery life, but note some issues with noise and finding the charging station. Tikom G8000 has self-charging capabilities, returning to its dock when low on battery. Reviewers highlight its quieter operation and effective cleaning pattern, though the battery life may not cover larger areas. Overall, reviewers find the Lefant M210 to be a cost-effective and pet-friendly option, with some minor issues like noise and navigation. Tikom G8000 is praised for its dual vacuuming and mopping capabilities, efficient navigation, and smart features, though it comes at a higher price point. Thanks for tuning in, Buy Smart family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean.